Welcome to lyranara.com and lyranara.me, the place where you can find the best holistic health solutions as well as the most powerful natural supplements to maintain your health and fight critical conditions in an all-natural way without any side effects. And today we're gonna talk about fitness and how you can improve your fitness program, achieve better results, whether you do it just for fun to keep fit, or you are a professional athlete or even a physiotherapist. We're going to show you 5 very affordable and easy to use solutions that will help you optimize your training schedule, your nutrition, etc., etc. So without further ado, let's learn more about these amazing solutions that can help you achieve better results in your fitness program. And this is all about customizing your fitness program to meet your precise needs. And why do we need an individually customized fitness program? Because we are all different, we behave differently, and when we are doing fitness, sport, we are relaxing, or we are undergoing physiotherapy, we must work out an individualized healthy training program to avoid injuries first and foremost, to achieve the optimum results, to avoid muscle soreness and organ stress, and even such really serious conditions as a heart attack. And therefore, a competent, customized training program is a must. And as I said already in the introduction, today we're going to talk about 5 natural ways for creating an intelligently designed, customized fitness plan that will boost your performance and create an efficient physiotherapy plan which meets your needs. And the 5 solutions that we're going to talk about today are the PreFit body scan, Strophantine, Rofus, Theorem, and Smart Breathe. So let's kick this off by first talking about a PreFit body scan, which is the ideal co-trainer in your fitness studio, a wellness oasis, a spa resort, a sport club, or even for physiotherapists and rehabilitation clinics. And it's very easy to use, it's extremely powerful, and I'm going to show you all the features that it comes with. First, the PreFit body scan does a constitutional muscle analysis. What does it mean? It scans all of your muscles, your skeleton, as well as your joints, and determines automatically muscle weaknesses and soreness, tensions, spine and joint problems that you're suffering from. Your heart, your lungs, and special conditions of other organs are being analyzed as well. And based on this input data, the PreFit body scan then elaborates a customized training program to avoid worsening of your existing conditions and to support a healthy fitness training program. Next, the PreFit body scan looks at your training time and it helps you optimize your training time. So we all have wondered which is the best time to have your training, and we know already from traditional Chinese medicine that our body has clear phases of rest and activity during the day, and those are different for each individual. Therefore, it is very crucial and it is very good to schedule your fitness training during the active phases, as the muscles provide the best performances during those phases. And going to sport during the rest phase may cause injuries and less performance. With the PreFit body scan, you can determine the best time to achieve the best results, also to make sport or fitness, and you can better select players for a game if you are a trainer. And in general, you work with the body here and not against it, and it's very easy to determine this optimum training time for you personally. But that's not all. We all know that nutrition is also crucial for achieving ideal results when it comes to fitness, and this is where the PreFit body scan also helps you a great deal. What is the right nutrition? We all ask ourselves to support our fitness and sportive activities, and here the PreFit body scan will tell you exactly and determine exactly what your body needs before and after fitness or your sport activities. As we all know, right nutrition is the roundup of any training, so this is pretty crucial. In general, we recommend that you do not forget to consume less proteins and more fiber and vegetables while performing sport activities or fitness activities in general. But here the PreFit body scan will give you a customized analysis of what to avoid and what to take in when, so you are safe when it comes to nutrition with the PreFit body scan. Another point that is very important and we have to pay attention to while we perform fitness and sport activities, whether we are professional athletes or we are just doing it to maintaining our health, is the training efficiency. So how dynamic are you? And here the PreFit body scan measures and elaborates the dynamics of you to schedule a perfect training based on the known energy reserves of your personal body. So you will avoid overworking and sore muscles just by this great feature that comes also with the PreFit body scan. Then we also need to know about our acid-base balance in our bodies. So the PreFit body scan measures here again if your body has a tendency to get or is already acidic, either because of dehydration or due to wrong nutrition or overworking in non-optimal fitness conditions, etc. And acidity increases the danger of muscle injury. As we all know, your heart also, which is a conglomerate of 13 different muscles, is in danger too. And we're gonna show you later in the presentation a great supplement that will help you maintain your cardiovascular health and avoid heart attacks, which unfortunately happen if you don't optimize your training schedule and you overwork your body. We have also all heard about the BMI, the body mass index, which is recognized as an overweight or underweight measurement. BMI shows here the ratio between your muscles and your fat tissue, and the PreFit body scan measures your BMI and establishes the best training profile for you and the best intensity of training to lose or to gain weight, because some of us want to gain muscles, some of us want to lose fat, etc., etc. So it's very crucial that you customize and optimize your training schedule to achieve that. And last but not least, the PreFit body scan looks at your training pulse frequency, which means it looks at which pulse does your body consume its own fat, which pulse range is best to train your endurance. And here it measures and elaborates automatically the best values for your training pulse frequency and helps you avoid grave organ injuries thereby. So as you can see, the PreFit body scan is the perfect personal trainer. It looks at all the crucial data to help you optimize your training schedule and achieve the best results possible. So what are the benefits of the PreFit body scan for physiotherapists and trainers? Well, you're gonna get to know better your patients and athletes' muscle problems. You're gonna know exactly the resilience of your patients and thereby help them avoid fatal injuries. And you can check regularly on the efficiency of your training program and on your physiotherapy program. And with all its features, the PreFit body scan is also a great tool for fitness studios, sport clubs, and wellness resorts as well as spas. And the benefits here for you are that you can elaborate scientifically your training plans for your customers. You can eliminate risks of injuries and muscle soreness. You can recommend your trainees the right nutrition and invite them to attend the training at the right time. You can offer more competent services. You can measure regularly the development and the improvements of your clients, create a better cash flow due to client satisfaction that's going to be way improved. And you can offer a new personalized wellness and fitness concept with minimum investment and maximum results. And of course, it is crucial that you take care of your cardiovascular system and avoid problems with your heart while you're performing those training and fitness activities. And nowadays we know that the real cause of heart attack is not a blood clot in your coronary arteries. A heart attack is directly linked to your heart metabolism changes, a significant decrease in oxygen delivered to the heart muscles especially. So your muscles are getting acidic. When you're overworking, lactic acid is accumulating and the muscles are cramping, and you feel the pain in your chest. The heart left ventricle is doing so much work that large quantities of lactic acid are produced, and therefore this tissue milieu is becoming so acidic. So it's a pH value in your heart, left heart ventricle of 6.8 as compared to 7.32 in the rest of your body. So the single muscle which can convert lactic acid into energy is your heart muscles. And in these muscle cells, when they are healthy, there is no danger of a heart attack, although there may be a poor or totally suspended blood circulation. This is possible only for your healthy heart cells. Otherwise, this tissue starts to lack oxygen and is literally choking. And the result of this is that the cells go into fermentation mode to secure energy in an anaerobic form, which is the same as when life started on this planet. And this lack of oxygen and surplus of lactic acid converts these cells into so-called suicidal cells. Lysosomes enzymes are starting to dump this useless tissue, and the heart does stop working when 10 cubic millimeters of heart tissue are dead. You have about 10 to 20 minutes to stop this process that might lead to a deadly heart attack. And heart attacks can be therefore prevented and in acute cases stopped only by using remedies which quickly correct this heart muscle metabolism, diminish the lactic acid concentration, and increase the local pH value above 6.7, thereby reestablishing the heart cell's normal metabolism. And we know nowadays that there is one great natural remedy that helps with all of that without any side effects more than any other, and it's called strophanthin. And it is the single most efficient natural product known today to stop and prevent heart attacks, as it can reverse the acidity and the lack of oxygen to the left heart muscles within minutes. And 9 out of 10 acute heart attacks can be stopped by using strophanthin, and this was proven by Dr. Kern and others in the hospital where he was chief of cardiology. And there is a lot of documentation on this, and we have also an extra presentation solely on this subject on our YouTube channel that I highly recommend, and I'm going to link in the description box below. Highly recommended to keep your cardiovascular health and avoid heart attacks, especially when you're doing fitness and you are stressing your heart. It's important to assure that you have a healthy heart and you get no problems from your fitness program there. Next, neat little tool that will help you optimize your fitness schedule and your training program is called Rofus, and it's designed to systematically monitor your health. It allows you to discover and avoid in advance health problems which could cause diseases. You can use it to regulate the impacts of health damaging habits such as a poor diet or the intake of inappropriate medicines or overworking during your sport program or acidosis, wrong nutrition and medication, and much more. Overall, Rofus testing is an indispensable method for dynamic control of your health, and it aims to create the conditions for physical, mental, and social well-being. Anyone can use this device, regardless of your level of education. You don't need to be a professional. It's extremely simple to use. It's a one-button operation. You can take your Rofus with you to your training and your athletic competitions, and you can check your health status instantly. It also works with Android devices, so if you have, whether you have an smartphone or tablet from Apple or from an Android one, it doesn't matter, it works with both. What is being tested by the Rofus within minutes? It tests your overall health state and 17 individual organs and systems in your body that are crucial. It does an analysis of the data, and it subsequently displays on the screen the results within only 3 minutes. It also assesses your psycho-emotional state, the negative impact of damaging habits on your body. It determines the negative impact of stress and overwork, which is again very crucial when you're working out. Identifies external factors which have a negative impact on your body and also problems before any external symptoms appear, and also monitors the effectiveness of drugs and medications you might take. A great tool that is very easy to use and helps you optimize your training schedule again and stay healthy while you're working out. We also recommend this great little tool called the Theorem. This device is designed for drug-free correction of your arterial blood pressure and a normalization of your body's overall condition. It can be used either as part of a comprehensive treatment along with medicines you might take or on its own, and you can take the Theorem with you when you go to your fitness studio, your training, your sport performances, and you can achieve in only 2 minutes the best blood pressure and pulse during your training or competition. What are the main features? It has an inbuilt electrostimulative electrodes that act on the biologically active zones of your wrist, and the electrical stimulation contributes to the improvement and normalization of the vascular wall tone and has a positive overall effect on regulating the body's physiological system. It helps you use less drugs and reduce the number of drugs taken in general. It helps you achieve a more comfortable life, and regular use also helps improve your mood and gives you an overall feeling of well-being. It also decreases weather sensitivity and the effects of abrupt weather changes on your body, and the results are that your arterial blood pressure is going to normalize, your overall physical condition is going to improve, your emotional state is going to improve, your ability to work will going to improve, and you're going to be able to take less drugs to feel really, really well. A crucial tool to improve your overall state of well-being. And last but not least for this presentation, I would like to recommend to you the Smart Breathe, a very neat little inexpensive tool that is going to help you improve your oxygenation and the way in which you breathe. Not many people are aware that just breathing is one of the most effective ways to achieve better health and increase your athletic performance, as well as boost the mind and manage stress. And this is exactly where Smart Breathe comes in. It is known that the oxygen we breathe saturates the bloodstream and nourishes all of our cells, but often there is too little oxygen in the cells and therefore you feel sick, or you don't bring your optimum performance during your training or your fitness program. Almost all diseases are also due to oxygen deficiency in your cells, and this is why it's so important to oxygenate the cells properly. Red blood cells transfer oxygen to all the trillions of cells in your body, and this is possible only if there is enough carbon dioxide in the blood, according to Dr. Buteyko. And 24 scientific studies have shown that most people in our culture unfortunately breathe the wrong way. Mostly they are hyperventilating, and that means that the carbon dioxide is pushed to lower concentrations in your blood or it is blown out. Why has this changed in humans? Some reasons we don't know for sure, but it's assumed that we live under more stress, we eat too much, we have toxins overload in our food, environmental problems and other life stresses. Smart Breathe is a very simple to use device and inexpensive, and it will help you a great deal to re-establish in a simple and practical way the normal carbon dioxide concentration in the blood, by creating artificially breathing resistance and imposing thus long exhalations. For a healthy body, carbon dioxide cannot become less than 6.5% in your blood, and most of the elderly and even younger people today are below this optimum value. Carbon dioxide, the exhaust of respiration, has two very important functions in your body. It is the best blood vessel dilator, and it also regulates the blood pH. So it is crucial that you breathe properly, also for achieving optimum results if you are a professional athlete or you're doing it just for fun. In this way, you are healthy and the healing process starts immediately in your body. So I hope that you've seen that with some very simple to use tools that are not expensive at all and extremely efficient, provenly so, you can achieve much better results in your fitness program, your sport activities, whether you are a professional athlete or you're doing it just for maintaining your health. And let's just sum this all up a little bit for you. The PreFit Body Scan is a great tool for intelligent fitness. It helps you achieve efficient and healthy training. It helps you boost your performances. It helps you stay safe and avoid injuries during your training. It helps you know your energy reserves and schedule the best training time for you, as we have seen. It also gives you nutritional advice and recommendation to avoid lactic acidosis. So it's just like the optimal personal trainer. It also helps you customize and better profile your athletes when you're a trainer, so you can assess their potential before competition and optimize their training schedule. It's also a great tool for efficient physiotherapy to achieve the best healing results for your patients. And it's also a wonderful tool for stress relief and relaxation, as well as fitness in spas and resorts. And then we talked about Theorem and strophantine, and those tools must be always in your pocket to avoid muscle and organ injuries, heart attacks, as well as accelerated pulse. Then we've seen that Smart Breeze is a great tool for achieving perfect fitness and sport performance, as you need the right amount of oxygen delivered to your cells for achieving the best results and remaining healthy while you're working out and not damaging any of your organs. And then last but not least, we talked about Rofus, that lets you check in only 2 minutes the function of 17 vital organs, again to avoid injuries, incidents and malfunctioning in order to be on the safe side of your training program. And of course, this list is not complete. There are many more tips that we can talk about, and we will in the future. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel, and you will see much more on how to remain healthy and improve your results while you're working out. Until then, I hope that you remain healthy. And by the way, if you have questions or you need personal assistance and consultation on what is best for you, give us a call, 1-888-773-3196. We love to talk to you and advise you for free on what is best for you. You can also subscribe to our online doctor, where you can become you can get personal assistance and you become a patient. And I'm going to post a link in the description box below again. Until next time, I hope that you stay healthy, and I wish you a lot of success with your individual training and sport activities.